Hello everybody, how we doing today? It's Joey again, Vegas Detect. I got a little something special I wanted to show you, something that I picked up. A subscriber, he contacted me and asked me a question concerning bikes. As you know, one of my hobbies that I like when I'm not detecting is motorbikes. And I normally have my Burgman, but I also picked up just a couple of days ago a 2018 Honda Grom. Is it a good bike? Would I take this bike over this bike? We'll talk about it here when we get right back. Alright guys, so yeah, I picked up one of these guys here the other day as a reward for me for losing some weight. Yeah, I promised myself that if I could lose some weight, and the goal was I needed to lose 30 pounds, and I came out here to this school, which is my son's high school here in Las Vegas, and I ran around this place here for 90 days straight, 30 minutes a day for 90 days, just to lose 30 pounds. And I was able to lose 30 pounds, man. So I said, if I could lose 30 pounds, that's the only way that I would consider picking up one of these little Honda Groms. Now I know you guys are thinking, why in the hell would I want to ride around on something like that? And it's a really good question. I don't have an answer for you, other than I just wanted something to work on that was fun to do. In the summer, it's no fun going out to the parks, man, when it's really hot. But I got an air conditioner in my garage, and these things right here, the things that's cool about them are that they're cheap to get parts for. They're relatively easy to fix, and they're all the fun of a regular motorcycle without all of the weight. Now, I've had the bigger sport bikes before, and I really didn't want to get another sport bike, man. Those things are 400 plus pounds. You got to push them around all over the garage, and they're kind of, you know, they're just, you got to be really on your toes about it because you can get hurt. But I don't have any of those fears when I'm on this little guy right here, this little 2018 Honda Grom. It's pretty nice. How fast does it go? Oh, everybody always wants to know, how fast does it go? It goes fast enough. I get up to about 55 miles an hour. That's with me. Now, I started at 222 pounds, and I was tired of being that fat. I was like, bro, I was looking like a fat head Korean, and I don't want to be no fat head. I said that was enough. I've always been around 180, 170, and during COVID, I allowed my weight to climb all the way up to 222. Ridiculous. I didn't want it no more. It was, something had to go, and I made a decision to lose some weight, and I said if I could lose 30 pounds, I'd pick up one of these, and yeah, that's it right there. The little 2018 Honda Grom, and one of the YouTubers commented on my other bike and asked me, hey, I really like the Burgman, but what do you think about one of these guys here? Are they good? Would you recommend them to people? And are they registerable? Yes, they are. I got mine registered just yesterday. They have the blinkers on there. They got the front blinkers. They come, you know, you get your mirror. We only require one mirror. What? Tail light. I don't know what more you need. 2 tires, I guess that makes it legal. But yes, it's perfectly legal. Look, if you're under 200 pounds, then yeah, that's cool. I'm 6 feet tall, so I do look pretty retarded on this thing, but whatever. It's just a toy. It's just for riding around my neighborhood, going back and forth around the block, this and that. So if you're just using this to ride around and have fun with as a little hobby vehicle, yes, it's great, man. Got the little clutch on here, so if you like shifting gears, it's 1 down, 3 up, so you got a total of 4 gears. It is a 1-cylinder. It's 125 cc's. And it's just overall, it's just a fun bike. Now, would I in any way trade this for my Burgman 400? In no way would I trade it for that, because this guy right here, man, you get out into traffic and with cars that just cruise around at 45, 55, you feel very, very vulnerable with this guy right here. You'll have this thing cranked wide open, blah, and then this thing will be at 50, 55. I mean, that's all the way in it. You can't get nothing more. So if this is not able to get on the freeway, this is just strictly surface street. So if you're doing 45 and below in town, yeah, this is great for all around. But no way, my Burgman, absolutely not. The Burgman's only a 400, but the 400 Burgman can ride in any lane. I can ride in the slow lane, the middle lane, or the fast passing lane. I can pass cars, I can get out ahead of traffic, and there's no storage room in this thing, man. Underneath this seat, all you got is what? You just got nothing. There's absolutely nothing underneath this thing. And that's where the Burgman shines, man, because I can put hella things inside the Burgman. This guy right here, what do I have? There's what you have. I got this nice little hole here to put what? Maybe some, nothing, I don't know, your wallet? That's about all you can put in there. There's nothing else in here for you. Just a battery in the seat. So you know what it is? When you're riding around with something like this, your life becomes a backpack. Yep, in order to ride motorcycles, you have to live in backpacks, and that's lame. I don't like living in backpacks. So, number two, not only is it too slow for general fast traffic, and it's too slow for the freeways, and there's no under storage areas right here. This would make it a no-go for me as an everyday daily rider. No, I would take my Burgman hands down. And the thing that's funny about it is I paid more for this than I did my Burgman. The Burgman I got from a retired Air Force airman. He gave it to me for 18, and I picked this up from a girl. She wanted 25 for it. I gave her 22. It had a dead battery. It had a flat tire, and it had some bent handlebars on it that I had to clean up. But other than that, that was it. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little quick tour of the Grom. I don't know how long I'm going to keep it. If I'll keep it, who knows? I mean, it's just, like I said, it's just something to play with. Because guys, what do you guys do? I know that you can't metal detect year round. You just can't. I mean, if you're in the Midwest states or back east, you know when it snows and the ground gets really hard, you guys are not metal detecting during those months. So what are your hobbies during those times? For me, I cannot detect during the summer. The summer is too ridiculous here. The heat it makes it miserable. I don't like being out here in the heat. So I pick another hobby, and that's normally tinkering on motorbikes. So let me know what it is that you guys do when you're not able to detect year-round. Do you have another hobby that you guys are into? Do you fix cars? Do you go fishing, skiing, something like that? Whatever. Anyways, guys, thank you. A quick little video for you guys since I've been away for a little bit, and I'll keep on making some more. So thank you guys. Please subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back with you again. Take it easy.